Hey guys, it's me, Selena, and let's film this Squishy Day video. Alright, so hey guys, it's me, Selena, and today I'm going to be doing a Squishy Day video. And I really hope you guys appreciate this video because I know this is going to take a long time and forever. So that's why I had a couple of funny intros. So thank you guys so much, and I hope you enjoy this video. Oh, let's get on with the dance. Okay, so the first there is to stab a squishy. And the squishy I will be stabbing is my supply bin. You guys already know what my supply bin is. You guys have watched my Where Are My Squishies video. Probably in here. I'll be stabbing this medium cat head squishy, and it's creepy because it has an X defect. So here's me stabbing my squishy. Oh. This also counts as cutting. Alright, so I just stabbed this squishy and it's still sitting, but it has a little hole in it. And now I'm going to stretch the squishy through its forward. And the squishy I will be stretching very this. That's so good. Because it's not even squishy, it's rising. So let's stretch this. Let's open it. Come on out. Thanks, baby. I can't. Okay. So the eye is peeling off. And nothing else. Oh my god, it has a rip on the mouth. Like the eye is peeling off. It has a little hair on it. Oh my god. But let's put this back in packaging. So the next step is to sit on a squishy for the rest of the entire video. And I will be also risking my life on freezing a squishy. The squishy I'll be sitting on is the one I always sit on. Hopefully does not hit anything, but I'm going to be sitting on this jumbo bus one. Whoa, okay, that's soft. Okay, next there is to bite a squishy for 10 seconds. So let's see what squishy I'm going to be biting. Let me put the stabber away before I stab myself. I'll be biting this big old squishy. Mortal Kombat. As you can in your shirt. And I'm going to tuck my shirt in. And these are my own ideas. I'm not copying from anybody, and I guess it's going to be kind of cheating because I have to get up. So here's the number 1. Ah, that's scratching my stomach. Number 3. 4. 5. Popping out. What are you doing? My shirt is now still rising. I am now squishy and still rising. I don't know why this squishy that is, but it's very dense. Okay, now to release the babies. My sister's here. Oh, what? Why are they not coming out? Oh, God. Okay, so all of them came out, and there's like 7, 8 in there. I don't know. Let me just restock. Help me, Sophia. Make sure you don't put 2 in one. Pull it up here. Okay, put it in there. Right here. Okay, guys. So, oh, I cheated, guys. I accidentally got rid of Uh-oh. I got it off of the jumbo button. That was cheating. Sorry. Get off. Please. Now to yell out the window to subscribe to your channel. Subscribe to Squishy Times and Crafts. Okay, so I did that. You yell it out. Subscribe to Squishy Times and Crafts. Subscribe to Squishy. Wow. Wow, like scream. What? I'm sorry. Subscribe to Squishy Times and Crafts. Subscribe to Squishy Times and Crafts. To my sister Selena. Love you. Bye. Love you. Bye. Okay. Next there is to make up some names for Squishy. Hello. Get out of here. Okay, so I'm just going to do this with my 10 pieces random. I think it's random. Okay. Sour face. Too fat to be a squishy face. Tough pimple. Too fat to be a cat face. What am I doing here face? I'm dying face. I just pooped on a green face. My donut looks like pee. I am cute. And then my face looks like a butt. So I just made up 10 Squishy's names, I hope. That counted right. So thank you guys so much for watching this Squishy Days video. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this Squishy Day video. Oh, let me just sit on it for 20 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that is 20 seconds, not 30. 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My sister is right there, so if you guys are moving a little bit, sorry, it's her bed. Stop.
I do not have a big
You're moving
head.
them. Let me just squish this for you guys. I felt like I got squishier. Kitty-san! That's what there is nationwide. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I love you. I'm funny. No, I'm not.